because setete Yohuno a me susu se ne mpaboa so se et se tunkusa eba be chime ko police station na no wo so obi adi watem me duru police station a wo se me mobile phones won na me say oto nsa frɛ me anaacha frɛ me mobile phone
se obeka asema don't speak against the person but speak against what the person has done. Two different things. Abronye wo we metimi akanya ma bebru wa no so me bibebru akeka ko e wo ho ade tantantan but enya no ye. He's attacking personality. Meaning say baby a ye chill ko ho no. There are issues that we need to tackle. But issues no who any is for you are part of the whole issues. Hello, hi, Xposed J. Denemy Blend Bros, baby. I will be am check a CNM out. Patron subscribe me to man. I want sa and ya can be fair. Abronye, ya didn't call way. Quasiaphobic could be at this free Abronye, catch him say Jimina Mujimino, Cobrand Emunu, Winimia Wire. And no by Abronye's sign. Jimmy was saying Jimmy. You could say, Quasama Abronye Eka.
Set it to Yohuno. Ah, me susu se ne mpaboa so se et se tunkusa eba be chime ko police station na me ko duru ye na no wo so obi adi watem me duru police station a wo se me mobile phones wan na me say oto nsa frɛ me anaacha frɛ me mobile phones. The first thing I me duru police station ya requested from me say me hand over me mobile phones and from Ghana Police Service meaning say mo trake kwana me faso ye den enya me information ade ye maduma e wo hia TV na me ya brewa ba nti emu me kwase ya waton safre ni padua no me duru ye no me mobile phones e hia tete Yohuno acha me ankasa amaba nti se me mobile phone ni hode a asese ye hankofo me e de me kotum because ma so odene ye bisa mobile phone me se me ni mobile phones. Asa na me mobile phones ni o me baba kwa na ma hwahwehwem me hwahwehwem no ma hu ne mo bagie afri me ho ne mo bahia afri me ho enti saade na mo bahia afri me ho no ma boaboa me ho ansa na me ko enti me mfa ma na wagi askane o no wahu mo a wo mo di information bra Abronye o nanka wona asie se obi adidi watem se wo mpaboa se tunkusa wona asie o se obi adidi watem nipa ne mobile phone eni watem me do the first thing monyi ne mobile phones nyina amra ne enkohwe ade kura ewom because o mususu se obi wa aban mu a o ma Abronye information e phones no so de monsanka ati mo fa me nkotum because me ma so den phone pa baba de mo wajam de fa me kotum se mobile phone na ma ne so de mbekwa kotum fa me kotum wo mo hankofo me wie ye nse de me kan ye me se na nado 8 years administration em fa me nko police station ye wie ya na mo se companies mienu ye hwehwemu na ye odia ye board in a sempa countryman. Yes, it's true. It's Abronye dia. I am media. Abronye communication and manning. I am media no correct. Ajuma abanya juma ben hadia and I'm semena missy Jubilee House. Abanya juma media yen say a sempa countryman mena enona midi see Jubilee House. A sempa countryman. And I made see Rate Hospital in Tibontimentum. Because won't mean family mamma now when him and Miss Sammy questions ya and who ya Tina Sammy some mouth answers ya who ya day and here because throughout some companies way at na Chroma the last 9 years and ya by a dumada. But company no survival, and ya buying too much survival. A survival, you know. Who pass investigate here? My investigate here and see who. nti afeda mo pese mo a mo te free me ho say ebia me ya adwuma bi na a whole government machinery mo pa Abronye achena mo investigate ya mo nya hwe emfiri no ho say ye pe bibi corruption bi di ayere no ntinu mo nya nwiye no nti saade ya wo da ye mfoso ne ye nkase wadidi IGP atem ne ye nyere no nti afede me companies ye wie ya adama obia publish say me 15 houses one crime aye azeka mankwa jare on ye bono deputy program officer edema honorable Canada Japan and a Maswan Mahama ono na ye Canada Japan aye director of operations omone publishing on social media say 15 houses one crime ni nyina ye media mikoduriye no na CID officer set se wonu ebisa me say sa dan na Canada Japan crofo no publish say eye me Abronye dia no fa hin na ewo me nkonkwo kire omo me nkonkwo kire omo wamre kwa me ankasa ma twere krata ade akwa bie na fo say omo investigate sa 15 houses no omo say eye media no me kokoduru CID aso ya investigator said say wonu bisa me say Canada Japan crofo na make a publish ade no social media azeka mankwa jare ene Maswar Mahama say 15 houses no ebi wo dome ebi wo ha ebi wo Kumasi enti me nkyere o mo location ene kwana me fa so me akwae nam say we anu ye ne simple me dini nyina sa dan dunum ni nyina no oman ntwehwem na me de ni nyina che oman Ghana na Ghana police service for kra mo personnel for no etoda bi o mu ni ba bi da nti ma free makoma mu me de sa dan 15 na honorable Canada Japan crofo publish say ye me media no me akoma mu fita me de che oman Ghana any Ghana police service for nti mo de na mo mfro mo no mo nkyere ba bi o me de minim na mo koko hu na ya Abronye dia me de che oman Ghana 15 ni nyina me de che na mo wie so a enye sa me de che keke o mo wie a mo nsa no mo me kwa du na me duru kwoto a nya fe na me kwa kasa nya me dia me duru kwoto a magi atum se ye me dia se be ya me ko afia sentem
continue
enti ugina obi social media yi a ono atwere eye Maswar Mahama director of operations in Canada Japan campaign team Bono region azeka mankwa jare ne deputy program officer say properties we nyina all because my Canada Japan asem enti who ye CID officer who see didi IGP atem enti eno na ye be investigate ye duru ya atem asem no kwa wie properties ye obi a publish social media eno na omo kwa kan ho asem I'm say I'm hwehwe mo wie a mo hu wie a me ademete say ye media na o man na di matum because nya say me dey check keke me wie a ma e ready say me sena ko ho says because me nim kwa na me fa so ye den akwaye
continue
etino wo mo a wie ye me ne ba bi o mo di interview so kono interview ni kono any response wa e ba no ma hu say womo ankasa ni case nti ade tinye a kwadu omode ba ya ne say what did the IGP atem
continue
na me no me obi a wo ba ka kire me say magidi IGP atem nti me mpa na chew na makwa akopa na chew ene de mo odwene sa no mo mfa sa asem ne nto ba bi na me nante o a wo se magidi watem de a na okokoto a wo ma police atim because security ya odia chimie na me yasim ba be gina akwa ka say ai magidi watem ntino Yohuno me ba be power chow say wo to na say ya bon crofo prepare mo mamoja tu omo wo safa ho eye ho 419 na wa ba be ka kyerem se wo no yaka wasem ntino esesa Abronye meba ebe di kosua crate ebe power chel nyesa abatimatu na me no omo a wo musuro ses ho no amekọ hokra na meda pa me wo fie kura mentimi na enti samadwe ne sai mo chi Abronye mana mia na no dia ane agrobi na mudi o ana mo a mo nso mo se ai obi na abo ne dia ogoka obi ho asem ana nipa na ama na koses no me koye no udu abo ne nti se nipa na mo ka se me koka ne ho asem ti na makose me koye no mudu abo nti ne mo kase ne nti makotua daneka se be ya neta me kwa menya baabi ayedan ada eno no kire se wonsem na obegina ho puppet ne so ne wayi ne so aka no me ememe me se me koye no makwa kotua danka sebe ya nesta na me kwa menya baabi ada nesta na me kwa menya baabi ada etima mo mfa ahunahuna bia me kroso mani so ne asese me ka kire mo me ka kire mo me Bible no me kan ya baabi a me ti ase pa no eye baabi atem no wo no Proverbs.
You see, let me tell you one thing, Abronye. Ebi I won't call journalism school that. Let me school you today. Se obeka asema, don't speak against the person, but speak against what the person has done. Two different things. Abronye wo we metimi aka nyama bebre wa no so mi bebre akeka ko e wo ho ade tantantanta but enya no yeka. So if you are corrupt, let me talk about the corruption. IGP or your penny, he has been through the ranks. Some will be against IGP. I don't like his style of leadership. He's too soft for me. And also too diplomatic for me. Based on me a pro dampare. And no sano, IGP Shami, you insulted me. No. I like him as a person, fine gentleman. By your style, that's what I dislike. But Abronye dear, because he's attacking personality. Meaning, there are issues that we need to tackle. But issues, no, who any you're part of the whole issues. And then one country and say, always restructure the constitution. And I know the family. Say, restructure constitution. And your friend said the Judiciary Council in your friend said the Chief Justice on one or saying the Special Prosecutor now Ghana Police Council IGP now military where and cannot hear council and can you say Electoral Commission or commissioners no choose the one who will be the chairman cannot hear council and yankwasa someone yeka your person Ghana will run on professional non-political lines. We need to restructure the constitution again. Take the powers that has been given to the presidency. That is too much. That makes the presidency autocratic in a democratic nation. You take it off. Ghana will work. Bank of Ghana. And international president or appointed Bank of Ghana. And to do as Kesikegum near see your friends 2018, 2019 nibi. Kesikegum no a kagum. Nagana say, Niasa, I title your belt and Niasa Bambim. What are we creating? Bank of Ghana should be what? An independent body. But meanwhile, you are appointed by the president. Where lies your independence? So these are the things that I expect Abronye so nyansa so become wasem. But of course, only nyansanti on kasasem no. Obey your rhetorics. NDC will come and put the blame on MPP. MPP will come and Ghanaians, as gullible that we are, Jimmy we will take it up. But you will nyansa, you must say MPP, NDC, all in the same mode. Because nobody has been able to say what I want to hear. Say it is time to change the constitution that Jerry John Rawlings did. And to make sure say Ghana goes to the next phase of what? Reconstruction or the next phase of development. And today we are no eba Yere do mama ba no the 24-hour ba na Akufo-Addo ba or the 1DF omufiso na say na Ghana says kasa na say nya sakopeska jimie mentality. Meanwhile, say a national policy in that nobody will come and what curtail it. 1D 1F is good. 1D 1F it's good. 24-hour program is good. But their marriage, because 24-hour now where are the factories that you want to build up? Say on my your development where we build on it. And no be buy what we make sure say electricity, all the distribution problems in the FU 4 years and no part of the air or the next one buy and also and make sure say all the road networks they are there. The next one by factories near here. You see, a development near here. And you might try my way. Yeah, but NDCD, and yes, about NDC and IGP in the year, it's about Ghanaians. John Mama saw a Ghanaian. If I don't get any, I don't hear NDC MPP. Yeah, Jimmy, I don't hear, sir. But because of politics and they want us to work to remain fools in it, or be a crack, no credibility. And the matter also be back. Ya pamu na fi MPP MPP dey say near no aye autocratic party obi a wo work na dia side dia they will sack you and yes anka amma say akade way aye kwe only the best person anko bet me lead na ko afa aban because oye pro Kennedy Japan ti no ye yini fi mu na ne nyame aka no ebebam me si ne nyame aka no ebebam me rasta black rasta program oka prophet bia wo shen kom say John Mahama beba po no onwe and no say Kennedy wo ye den obeba 2028 enti mo a makodi papa ba ko na chi no church books no booklo man mo di na chi no mo ye we no you have the shock of your life Ghanaians. Kennedy Japan me say mo ye den obela 2028 no land ya Munim Sama, Ghana needs to work. No more that political way, rub my hand, I rub your hands. No, we will no longer tolerate. Yeah, you'll be very disciplined to put that what to the next level. I expose you, subscribe, share, but it's 2 man as I can